Hello everyone, it's Elle and I'm at Crate and Barrel right now where I am so inspired by their fabulous furniture and decor pieces. Unfortunately, my wallet is not speaking the same language, so I'm just like, how can I get the aesthetic and feel like I have a luxury home? Well, Ikea has a lot of the same inspired Crate and Barrel pieces. So let's go into Crate and Barrel and Ikea, do some comparisons with the furniture and decor, and maybe we can make our homes look like luxury at an inexpensive cost. Whenever I think about creating a luxury space in the living room, I always start off with a beautiful sofa sectional, something sturdy and comfortable. Well, Crate and Barrel, there's no denying that they carry beautiful sectionals and sofas like this Patio 3-piece sectional, and it's starting around $4,600 and up. However, Ikea has something comparable that will give you that whole luxury vibe. The arms are nice and chunky, just like the Crate and Barrel version, but it's at a discount for $1,500, and it comes in 3 different colors. It also comes in the cream. So yes, I think that this is definitely a piece that you should invest in, and you can get a great discounted sectional at Ikea. And might I add that the Kevik sectional from Ikea, I hope I'm pronouncing the name right, comes in the right arm facing or the left arm facing. So 2 different positions. They have it in stock sometimes, or you can have it delivered, and the delivery comes really quickly. And also Ikea has warranty on their furniture. And while we're on the topic of big, bold, beautiful furniture, this Keen poster bed is a fan favorite at Crate and Barrel. It's almost $2,000 and it comes in a king or a queen, and so does this Ikea poster bed. Before you use a dupe for a higher end piece of furniture, you should always do your homework, checking out dimensions, quality, material. You know, sometimes the price doesn't always beat the quality. However, I think this Ikea poster bed is a definite winner. You get that warranty. It comes in 2 different colors, 2 different sizes. So if you have an apartment versus a larger home, it can fit both places. I think this Ikea poster bed, did you notice I'm not even going to try to pronounce that name, is a sustainable piece of furniture, and it's comparable to the Crate and Barrel poster bed. And here is this beautiful accent chair from Crate and Barrel. It's called Polly, and it's how much? $898. Yeah, okay. That's a no for me. I can't afford to pay almost $900 for an accent chair. So I went to Ikea and I found this accent chair. Again, not going to pronounce the name, but it is a winner in my book, because it's a lot cheaper and it looks nice. It's the same colors, the brown arms with the cream cushions, and you can always change up the cushions to give it a slouchier look like the Crate and Barrel one. But this price is definitely in my range, and I love accent chairs. I love changing them out, so I'm not going to spend a lot of money at any store. So Ikea gives you a lot of options for accent chairs as well, and decor pieces. I truly believe that Crate and Barrel started that large cabinet in a corner trend to show off your tchotchkes and your beautiful home decor pieces, the vases and the bowls and such. And Crate and Barrel's Kenzie cabinet is really nice. I'm not sure about the white backing. However, Ikea has something that is comparable in size, but it's a little cheaper and the backing is black. So if you wanted to jump on this trend of having a larger cabinet in a corner, you can find this one at Ikea for $600. Although it's not the same as the Crate and Barrel one, I actually like the Ikea version better because it has that black backing, but the aesthetic is there, right? It's going to give off that luxurious feel at a discounted price, and it comes in 2 different colors. So this Ikea cabinet looks smaller on TV, but don't be fooled, it is large in circumference. So do your research online before you decide to go and buy, because it will take up a lot of space in your home. The rounded 2-tiered coffee table adds such an eclectic vibe to a living room. It gives the living room a bit of interest. This Claremont from Crate and Barrel is so lovely because it comes in 2 shades and 2 sizes. However, it is quite dear when it comes to pricing. On the other hand, Ikea has a rounded coffee table with funky legs that really provides that interest as well. The Ikea version is not real wood. However, it does give that look for an inexpensive cost. So again, you're going to want to decide quality versus cost. Review Ikea's warranty on their website. Always do your research with warranties from any store when purchasing furniture and decor. As the summer months are approaching, when you see a great patio set like this one at Crate and Barrel, it gets you inspired to decorate your patio or your balcony. However, depending on your budget, it may be a little bit too expensive. That's when it's a good idea to head over to Ikea to check out their patio furniture to see if you can find something similar to match the Crate and Barrel's patio furniture selection. So Ikea has a lot to choose from, and the trick here with the overall aesthetic is to get the frame of the patio, sectional, or seating the chair, and then change out the cushions if need be to something chunkier or something a little bit more appealing for your vibe of the patio. You can change out the cushions to something colorful or just keep it white to have that crisp, clean feel, or bring in a tropical vibe. But Ikea does have a lot to choose from in terms of a canopy or the chairs. You can make it look swanky from the Ikea furniture for a fraction of the cost of the Crate and Barrel selection. So now that we've seen a few look-alike Ikea pieces inspired by Crate and Barrel, let's round up a few other home decor items that we all have in our homes or we would like to get in our homes. And I truly appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for a short store tour from Ikea and Crate and Barrel. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.